Hey there, Windows users. Ever accidentally deleted a file and thought it was gone forever? Well, fear not. In today's video, we'll show you how to recover deleted files in Windows using Stellar Data Recovery. Welcome back, everyone. If you've ever found yourself in the frustrating situation of losing important files on your Windows PC, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk you through the process of recovering those precious files using a fantastic tool called Stellar Data Recovery. What is Stellar Data Recovery? First things first, what is Stellar Data Recovery? It's a do-it-yourself tool designed to recover lost or deleted files from both Windows and Mac systems. But for today, we're focusing on its Windows capabilities. Key features: Stellar Data Recovery is fast, user-friendly, and can handle various data loss scenarios, from accidental deletions to drive failures. It can even recover files from encrypted devices, corrupted drives, and lost partitions. Impressive, right? Pricing. Now, let's talk about the cost. Stellar Data Recovery offers a range of editions, from a free version to a comprehensive toolkit. Depending on your needs, you can choose the edition that suits you best. We'll put the pricing details on the screen for you. Recovery process. So, how do you recover deleted files using Stellar Data Recovery? It's a breeze. Just follow these simple steps: download and install the software. Launch the program and select Everything in the recovery options. Choose the drive to scan and hit Recover, Preview and select the files you want to restore. Click Recover, choose a save location, and you're done. Alternative methods. Of course, there are other ways to recover files on Windows, like checking the recycle bin or restoring from a backup. But, trust us, Stellar Data Recovery makes it much simpler and more effective. Is Stellar Data Recovery safe? Before you dive in, you might be wondering, is Stellar Data Recovery safe? Absolutely. With a 5-star Trustpilot rating and over 600 reviews, it's a trusted solution. We've tested it ourselves, and the results were impressive. Now, let's address some common questions. Yes, you can recover deleted files on Windows. Yes, Stellar Data Recovery can handle permanently deleted files. And yes, it's the go-to tool for files not in the recycle bin. In conclusion, losing important files is never fun, but with the right tool, like Stellar Data Recovery, you can breathe easily. Whether you're on Windows 11, 10, 8, or an older version, this tool has your back. Share your recovery experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Until next time, happy recovering.